I'm going to tell you about an event that I used to run. It's called the consequence of thought. And the idea with this is that there is a result that you want to get or that you are getting, and you can track it back to whatever thoughts you're having in your head. If you think about it, the thoughts that we have create a feeling inside. That feeling, whether it's good or whether it's bad, is what makes us act in one direction or the other. And then that action, of course, gets us a result, right? So if everything starts with thought, you have to watch your thoughts and decide which thoughts are good to have, which thoughts are not good to have, discard the ones that are not good to have, right? And have more of the ones that are good. So if thoughts lead to feelings, feeling lead to action, action leads to result. And I'll give you a very simple example here. You could go to the Tahoe show that we were talking about a little bit ago, you know, the bodybuilding show. And you could watch the people on stage and go, man, I think I could do that next year. You know, that thought, I think I can do that next year, is going to create the right feeling. That is going to be a motivating feeling. It's going to get you doing the right things, exercising, eating well, doing all the right things to hopefully get you the result of actually being on stage the next year, right? Now, if you go to the same show and you're sitting in the audience and you obviously see the same shows, the same thing, and your thought is different, your thought is, oh man, those people are so beautiful, I could never do that. Or, oh, I'm so fat. Or, oh, I'm so stupid, I could never be on stage. Or whatever it is that your negative thinking is. And I'm not saying that you have those thoughts. Hopefully you don't, but some of you might. So think about the effects of having those kind of negative thoughts. Like, oh, no, I could never do that. Well, I could never do that would keep the negative feeling happening inside, which would keep you in lack of action, right? In some of that inertia, sitting on the couch, eating ice cream, watching the show instead of exercising, eating well, and trying to be part of the show, okay? So this is what I call the consequence of thought, is what happens to those thoughts that we have. Where do they represent in our life? What kind of results do we get from those thoughts? And I want to encourage you to, as they say in acceptance and commitment therapies, what it's called is defusing yourself from your thoughts. Defusing as in separating yourself from a thought. So if you ever have a thought that's like, oh, I'm so stupid, instead of thinking, I'm so stupid, think, that's so weird, I just had a thought that I'm so stupid. And just that little bit of separation from the thought just gives it a different feeling inside, which hopefully gets you in the right pattern to achieve the goals that you want. So watch your thoughts and get better ones.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.